This is a filter function and there is a problem. It's having error, value error. So I was just trying to sort name of the viewers which have not done the login in the month of January under site-wall SO. So number of working days in January is actually 26. Nothing is changed. The function is here and it will spill all over. So what is the problem? This is the table from where I am extracting the report. Okay. Actually this is a new field, new column which I have included here. Or maybe this is the reason why it is having spill error function. So let's find out. Okay. Yeah, one column is perhaps missing here, so I have to put here 0 and hopes it works. Yeah, it works. Now under site-wall SO there are 22 offices, out of which the last this offices, rest of the officers have done login on all 26 days. That's why number of days not logged in January is showing 0. That's why 100% performance. But these BOs, SIFA has not done 1 day, 2 like this, 2 days, 2 days, 4 days and 5 days. If we want to sort this in the descending order, because I have to see all the time at the time, so this is ascending order from 0 to 1. Let's just change the order of sort. We change this one to -1 and hope it will change. So this can give a clear picture of this thing, and this is only for one SO. If I want to see for a whole subdivision where I am having 124 BOs, so if I change here to another SO like Darlon, so it is giving 15. Okay, so this is all dynamics listed, everything is dynamic, coloring is also dynamic. Let's change to Zemabook. Okay, so for Zemabook there are only 9 offices. For Champhai we are having 25 offices, so these are all dynamic. But if I want to check for the whole subdivision instead of SO wise, that's why I created another table here. Here I just change, it says Darlon. It will give calculation error because this field I am not comparing with, so I have to change this to my subdivision. Is subdivision, then it is giving for the whole division. Suppose if I want to add name of the SO against each BO, then I have to include another table in the display. So let's see how can we do it. I think another one more field is to be attached. So let's see where is the name of the SO. So it is in the second column. So what we have to do is put this one as 1. No, the spill error function is coming here. All right, I got it. We have to add one more column. Now it's giving again this function has wrong, so then we have to change the formula, where the formula is C6. Instead of C it should be D, and then let's see. Yes, it works. The problem here is in sorting. Everything is fine, so I'm indexing. The sort index is the column number 2, so I should sort by column number 3. Okay, let's make it this one. Yeah, it's perfectly fine now. So this way I can see for the whole subdivision like this, or if I want to see for the particular SO, then I can do from here. This is how we can automate our worksheet or data. Not just this one. Here is a dashboard. It's very helpful for me. So here this is for the month for 3rd Feb. If I want to see for 1st Feb, then what I need to do is just enter the sheet name 24. It will change the whole thing. So on 1st Feb it was 115. On second phase it was 118. So it is changing dynamically. So I'm changing to last date. So this is how you can make things. Hope you liked it. Thank you.